Hello, everyone again. I am back with a very interesting video. I was making the videos in Spanish, but it was very annoying for a lot of my subscribers to understand them. Today, I bring you the demolition and reconstruction of a balcony. These builders do an amazing job. That is why we trust in their work and the security they provide us. The first step is to remove all damaged material, like these railings and all the concrete on the balcony. If the damage is structural, the balcony structure needs to be repaired. This may involve repairing beams, columns, or other structural elements. As you can see, the damage is significant. Everything here needs to be demolished. Decks, terraces, and other elevated areas are exposed to sun, wind, and precipitation, so they deteriorate over time if not properly maintained. Also, as a building and the soil beneath it shift due to ground conditions and earthquakes, areas with stucco or other waterproofing elements can develop cracks or gaps that allow water ingress. Balconies and terraces are specifically designed with a number of elements, including flashings, membranes, coatings, and sealants, to prevent dry rot, termite damage, and more. However, these protective measures are not permanent and require maintenance or replacement after a certain number of years. In this case, the reconstruction will be made of wood. Wooden balconies add a special charm to any home, combining rustic style with the warm and natural touch that many seek for their outdoor spaces. Opting for wooden balconies for homes has several benefits, both functional and aesthetic. Wood offers a unique visual appeal that other material options cannot match. Among its advantages is its ability to blend into natural environments, giving a sense of continuity with the landscape. Furthermore, wood is a versatile and customizable material, which allows you to adjust the details to achieve the desired style, whether rustic or contemporary. Another strong point is sustainability. Choosing certified or recycled wood contributes to a more responsible and ecological approach to construction. When building wooden balconies, the material choices directly influence their durability and final style. On this occasion, we will use pine. This is one of the most accessible and versatile woods for outdoors, provided it receives the proper treatment. Wooden balconies for homes made from treated pine are strong and easy to work with, making it a popular choice for balconies looking for excellent value for money. Furthermore, its ability to be dyed, varnished, or painted in different finishes allows it to be adjusted to the specific design of each project. That said, I invite you to enjoy the process. This is the final result. What do you think? I read them in the comments. Your opinions are important to me. I say goodbye for the moment. Until next time.